Today we're talking about sprints. You may remember sprints from last year, but they are basic operation practice that happens at the beginning of some modules. It won't happen at every module, but when you do, it'll very frequently look like this. So you'll notice that there is two sides, side A and side B. Online, you will find it as one PDF that you can bring into Notability. The entire goal is to set a 1-minute timer and to complete as many problems as possible. After you've completed that, then you can go ahead and correct or check all of your answers to see how many you have. You then note how many you had correct up here. Your ultimate goal is to complete side A, then complete side B, and aim for at least one fact more on side B than side A. That is considered a success. At this time, you may have to use a microwave or a phone timer. You can pause this video, open up the PDF and bring it to Notability and complete side A, and then you can check your work with me for side A before you start on side B. I'm going to pause now and give you a few moments to get set up, and then I will go over the answers for side A before moving on to side B. Hopefully at this time you have finished side A, 1 minute worth of assessment. You do have the ability to continue going through the activities and finishing, but obviously you're not going to be able to watch this video and check your Notability file at the same time. So I'm going to go through some of the answers real quick for you as we run through. For number 1, 2 times 10 is 20, 3 times 10 is 30, 4 times 10 is 40, 50, 10, 20 divided by 10 is 2, 3, 5, 1, 4, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 80 divided by 10 would be 8, 7, 9, 6, 10. What times 10 equals 50? That would be 5. 1 times 10 equals 10. What times 10 equals 100? 10. 2 times 10 equals 20. 3 times 10 equals 30. 100 divided by 10 is 10. 50 divided by 10 is 5. 1, 2, 3. 6 times 10 is 60. 7 times 10 is 70. 9 times 10 is 90. 8 times 10 is 80. 7, 9, 6, 8. This one would be 10 times 10 plus 10 more. In this case, it would be 11. 3, 12, 140, and 14. I know you probably can't watch this video and check your answers at the same time, but at least you've seen the correct answers for each of side A. At this time, you can go to side B in Notability, and I'm going to pause the video now. You're going to reset your 1-minute timer and begin trying to get at least one more correct answer than you had before. I'm going to pause now. Hopefully at this time you've completed side B as well as side A. I'm going to go over those answers. They will look very similar to side A, but here we go. 1 times 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 100, 60, 70, 80, 90, 70 divided by 10 is 7, 6, 8, 10, 9, 1 times 10 is 10, 5 times 10 is 50, 2 times 10 is 20, 10 times 10 is 100. 3 times 10 is 30. 2, 1, 10. 5, 3. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. 9 times 10 is 90. 7 times 10 is 70. 8, 9, 6, 7. This would be 110, 11, 120, 12, 130, 13. Hopefully, after you've checked your answers, you had one more or many more correct on side B than you had on side A.